Hello everyone, welcome back again to Motorhome-World. Today it's another day that we're handing over a new motorhome to one of our clients. As you can see in front of me, we have an Isuzu here, which is not an iVehicle this time, and this is a 5.2 liter, which is actually a 5 gear, and as well it's 110 kilowatt. 6.5, which is the GVM that you can get on the Isuzu NPS300. So today we're going to show you from the left hand side to the right hand side and as well to the back, and we're going to walk inside and show you the interior, what we have done. So come, let's have a look. Alright, so this Xtreme here, you can see it's very similar to other Xtremes. On top, there's no luton to allow to tilt, and at the bottom here, it's a bit higher to overcome obstacles. All right, so now we have come to the right-hand side, which is the driver's side. We have a plug point for your short power, and we've got the geyser here, which is a 14 Hansen geyser. And then we've got the diesel, which is actually an extension, as you can see at the bottom here. We've got a nice bracket to hold our diesel tank, and as well it's covered with an aluminium box. And as well you can see outside there's a shower, which is a hot and cold. All right. And then we come on the side. You can see there's a water filler as well, which is an extra tank for the water. And as well you can see some nice finishing of the aluminium boxes. And as well we'll come here to the rear, we call it the rear garage, where you can see there is the H2O filter system, the inverter, the MPPT, and the DC to DC charger. You can see this nice space for packing. And as well, we've got another filler point for a diesel tank. You can come with me at the back. We've got a nice spare wheel that is mounted at the rear with a spare wheel carrier brackets that you can see from the inside of the garage. And we've got a rear view camera at the back as well. You can see some nice Jocon lights at the back. Now we're going to the left-hand side. So underneath here, there's a nice alu box with a packing space. You can put your recovery gear. You can see there's wooden boxes as well. I'm going to open up this hatch. We've got another access to the left-hand side of your rear garage. And we've got a Fredolin plug point, and you can see the security handle, and as well we've got a 4-meter awning, which is black. So you can get it in black or you can get it in white. So you can see the hatches as well, they have been made in black. So it's a choice that you can choose. Also your door frame as well, you can turn it into a black. So you can have white or you can have black. With your vents as well, you can turn it into black. As well here we've got a lippet entry door with a nice bin. I'm just going to close this door and show you. And here we've got a cassette for your toilet. And as well here, it's a nice little plumbing compartment where you can have access to your plumbing side. The bathroom that has been fitted on this camper is actually a cubicle full wet bathroom, and as well you can have access going to show you inside how it looks. So come, let's have a look inside and then we can show you. All right, so now we're inside and you can see how beautiful it looks like. And we've got a layout that we took in one of our rental, which is the Discoverer 4 layout. So you can see the bed at the rear, and you can see there's a window at the left hand side and the window at the right hand side and at the back as well. The window at the back, it's a fixed window and it doesn't open due to dust, and as well can actually protect you from inhaling anything. So we've got a bed at the back, which is, we call it the rear bed, and as well on top you can see there's a table vent, which is a Fiamma table vent, and as well you can see some nice cupboards. This time the cupboards are different. They're straight cupboards, they are not U-shaped cupboards. On the side, it's a standard microwave, which is a Defy microwave, but it's a 220 volt. And then underneath here, we've got a 2-gas burner, which is a Tedford 2-plate. And as well, we've got a nice plug point, a window at the kitchen, and we've got a filter system, and as well a nice round sink. And as well on the side, we've got a nice little compartment for your wine glasses. There's one extra storage space. You can put your spices, you can put anything that you want there. On top here we've got a middle vent, which is a table vent. And then underneath here we've got some nice storage spaces. You can see there's your crockery. This is for your cutlery. And underneath here you can store anything that you want. And as well some packing space underneath the sink. Then we can move to the side. Some extra storage space. And as well underneath, packing space. Then we move to the middle cupboard. We've got a hanging closet and a packing space. We can move down here. This is an 80 angle freezer and a fridge. And then we move to the sitting area. We've got some nice downlights and as well some packing space as well on top. Your sitting area with a window-in window with your swivel lights and your LED light. I'm going to show you the bathroom. Everybody's been interested to see what kind of a bathroom we have. So you can see this is a nice cubicle bathroom. And it's got a round sink, a nice tap, the shower as well, normal bathroom vent. And inside you've got your little cupboard to pack your stuff. Alright, so you normally use the walkthrough on the iVehicle. This time we have the crawl through on an Isuzu. So we're going to show you how you can actually have access, or you can actually crawl through to the driver's side. And as well, when you have to do a crawl through, you need to remove the table so that you can actually have a better access of it. thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, hit the bell. The contact information is on the description below, and we'll see you next time.